Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So as you guys can see, I've already placed on my nail tips, and I'm using these Makartt false nail tips. I believe they're long and stiletto nail tips. And so I'm just going to begin by filing the sides. I'm not going to make it stiletto. I'm going to round the edge just a little bit. So it's, to me, this is like stiletto with a rounded tip because it's not pointy. And after I do that, I will take my Erica bit, and this is a diamond bit, and just go around the cuticle area to make it flushed and go around the entire nail to buff out the nail before I start my nail art. Now once I'm done filing, I'm going to use my Nail Reserve base coat and base coat all the nails and then cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm just showing you guys how my nails look from the side. So they are a bit curved. They have like a little apex, which is a good thing, and I like that. It looks more on the natural side and not like press-on nails. So to begin my nail art, I'm going to go in with my Rosalind Gel Polish in number, I believe that was 26. This is a yellow. Next, I'm going in with my Madam Glam in Viola for my purple. Or my light purple, I should say. Then Rosalind 2452 for my pink. And then Rosalind 2701 for my blue. And 57 for my green. Now, I know you guys have seen these nails. They're called pop art nails, and they look like cartoon nails, which I thought was so cool. So I decided to do them. You know, I wanted to try it out and see how it works. So I saw these colors and I was like, okay, let me do these colors. So I picked this yellow, purple, pink, blue, and green, and I'm just going to, as you can see, place 2 coats, cure them individually for 60 seconds, and then come back to do the details. Now here are my nails after I've done 2 coats, but for the pinky I had to change the color to my Kiara Sky Tropic Like It's Hot because the Rosalind had glitter in it and I didn't want that to show. So now for the design, I'm going to be using my Saviland yellow. And this is for the contrast, so you have to pick like a darker color than the colors that you have already. So now I'm using also Nail Addict Lilac Madness for the purple. Next I'm going to use the gel bottle ink in Pink Panther. And then I am going to use what is it? I believe the Saviland blue. Yes, so this is a darker blue. So like I said, all these colors are a darker shade of what I already have on. And next is the Gel Bottle Ink Rio. So this is what's going to give that, you know, pop art, cartoon look because of the contrast between the two different colors, you know. So now I'm going to begin the design, and I'm going to take my liner brush, and I'm going to take the yellow, and I'm going to go on the side of my nail and basically just make a outline around that side, if you know what I mean, if you can see what I'm saying. So on the right side of my nails, I'm going to make that contrast part. So I'm taking the yellow and I'm just going to go and make an outline from half of the cuticle area and straight down midway of the nail, as you can see what I'm doing here. And I'm just going to do that for all of the nails. Next, I'm going to be going in with my Young Nails Overdrive and my Young Nails Fizz, which is black and white. And I'm going to take that black and basically outline the entire nail. And this is a part of the design too. This is what's going to make it look like that cartoon also. Yeah, I don't know if you remember back in the day, but cartoons always had that bold black outline. And so this is what's going to give that look. So like I said, I'm just going to outline the entire nail and do every single nail like this. And now this is how they look so far. And I didn't like the way the fizz was looking. It was looking too, it was a little bit watery or not as white as I wanted it to be. So I decided to take my Madam Glam white gel paint instead. And now I'm going to go on the left side of the nail and make a line close to the outline of the black with the white and make a circular, like a line first, and then I go around by the cuticle area and just finish that together. I do go closer towards the black just to make it a little bit more contrast to the black. So you'll see once I'm done that the white is closer to the black of the outline than it shows here. So now this is what I meant, see? So the white is closer to the black outline of the nails. And now you're getting to see that contrast and how it, looks. And to finish off the set, I am going to use my dotter tool to add some dots to the end of the white part. Sorry, I come out of camera here. But I'm just making white dots at the tip of the nail, as you can see here, where the end of the line of the white is. And then I'm going to matte top coat the nails, and this is how they look. I think these turned out so cute. The only thing is that I wish that the pink, I felt like I thought the Pink Panther would have came out a little bit darker, like a hotter pink, but that's okay. They still look cute to me. I really like this. I thought this was a cute trend. Let me know what you guys think, and thank you guys for watching.